In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display negative numbers in red in Google Sheets. If you work with budgets, inventories, or any data set where negative values matter, making them stand out can save you time and reduce errors. We're going to use a built-in feature called Custom Number Format. This changes how numbers look on the screen without altering the underlying values or formulas. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the cells that contain the negative numbers you want to highlight. You can drag to select a range, or click a column letter to select the entire column if that makes sense for your sheet. The formatting will only apply to what you select, so be intentional about the area you choose. With your cells selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Format menu. From there, hover over Number to open its options, and then choose Custom Number Format. This opens a small dialog where we'll define exactly how positive and negative numbers should appear. In the Custom Number Format field, type this format exactly as follows. #0, red, 0. Let me quickly explain what this means. The format is split into two parts by a semicolon. The first part, #0, controls how positive numbers and 0 are displayed. It includes a thousand separator and no decimal places. The second part, red as 0, tells Google Sheets how to display negative numbers. The red instruction changes the font color to red, and the bas 0 ensures the minus sign appears before the number, also with a thousand separator. This is purely visual formatting. It won't modify your data. Click Apply to save the custom format. Immediately, your selected cells will update. Positive numbers will remain in the default color, and negative numbers will appear in red with a minus sign. Take a moment to scan your sheet and confirm everything looks right. If you don't see the change, double-check that you applied the format to the correct cells and that the numbers are truly negative values, not text. You can verify by selecting a cell and looking at the value in the formula bar. A quick tip: because this specific format shows no decimal places, your numbers will be rounded visually. If you need decimals, you could use a version with decimal places, but the structure is the same. Also, remember that this is different from conditional formatting. Custom number formats are lighter weight when you simply want a consistent visual style for negatives. And that's it. You've set a clear, professional way to make negative numbers pop in Google Sheets.